Hi, I'm Dorota Pawlak, localization trainer and consultant, and if you are experimenting with AI and you are not quite sure how to turn it into a real impact, this workshop is for you. We will focus on practical ways in which AI can make your work faster and smarter. You will discover where AI helps, from QA, glossary creation, market research, and even image localization. Expect real-world examples, smart use cases, and practical tips that you can apply right after the session. You will leave the workshop with 5 high-impact ways in which AI can help in your localization and translation tasks, and also with tips for identifying where AI saves time and where it doesn't. So if you are a translator or a localization specialist trying to bring AI into your processes without breaking anything, join me in Porto for a healthy dose of AI. See you there.